In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a serpentine belt on a Ford Escape. It is located behind the front passenger wheel. After removing the wheel, you're going to have to remove half of your fender liner. Your fender liner is held in by seven 7mm screws and 2 clips. These 2 clips are just to the right of the strut. You can pull the center out first, and then the outer piece comes out separate. Do the same thing for your top one. Now you can remove 6 of your 7mm bolts. Now on the other side of your fender liner, right underneath your bumper, you have 2 8mm bolts. Remove those. Now you want to pull back on this piece here. It's a wheel molding, straight out. Once you have that out to the side, you want to peel your wheel liner back. Put it on the other side of the rotor. Once we have our fender liner out of the way, your belt is right here. Your belt is a stretch belt. That means there's no tensioner to loosen or tighten. These stretch belts are a one-time use only, so just cut it and remove it. To install your belt, you need to put it around the alternator first, which is up top. Then come down to the water pump, around the AC compressor, and then start putting it around the crank pulley. You can use an installation tool like this to help stretch the belt onto the pulley. Once you have your tool around your belt, you want to turn your crank pulley clockwise with an 18mm socket. Once your belt is fully on, you want to check to make sure it is around all the pulleys and it's straight. Now we're going to reinstall our wheel liner, making sure that the wheel liner goes behind this wheel molding. Clip our wheel molding back in. We're going to install our 2 clips. Now we're going to install our black plastic piece that goes on the bottom here, and then install all of our bolts. Now tighten all your bolts. Now we're back underneath the front bumper. You install your two 8mm bolts. Tighten those. Once you tighten those, install your wheel, torque your wheel lug nuts down, take it for a road test, make sure there's no funny noises, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.